what better way and place to start an unboxing video than in a puzzle room? Man, there's puzzles everywhere. Even though the product I'm getting ready to show you guys has really nothing to do with a puzzle. I just thought it'd be a cool place to start. But it's kind of a mess in here. Let's switch rooms. Okay, for a second I thought this room was going to explode, but it's the air conditioning. It fired up. Anyway, this is an unboxing video of a pretty cool product. I wasn't sure. Sometimes companies send you stuff, you're not sure if you can make a video that'll do the product justice. And I don't think I could do this product justice neither at the moment, because there's so many things you could probably do with this one product. Check this out. It's pretty cool. I'm coming up with some ideas. So actually, that's the name of the company. I can't pronounce it. I cannot pronounce that name. But that company right there, should I try to pronounce it? Shurangama. Shurangama? Maybe that's it. They contacted me, like a lot of companies do. Some products are good, some products are not that good. And they said, hey, we have a whiteboard. Would you like to try it? And I said, it's a whiteboard, you know. What good's a whiteboard? There's nothing much I can do with it. I already have one inside the RV. But if you have something I could put in my car, because I do Lyft and ride share, you know, maybe put it back there in the back seat so the passengers can write things on. That might be something. And they said, we got you. We got something you could use. And this is what they sent. Okay. Looks very kid-like, right? But adults could use it too. This is an light-up LED note board. Energy efficient LED lights, yay! Family or co-workers, share messages at home with friends. Yeah, so this is kind of cool. I look at it like this. Anything that glitters, anything with LED lights, I'm there, I'm glued. Especially when there's something transparent that you can write with different colored markers. That's gotta look amazing. I'm excited. It'd be kind of cool driving down the road at night, picking up passengers, having this little LED piece of glass that they can write on with colored markers, whether it's like, have a nice day, great drive, you're hot, whatever, you know. You never know what passengers think about you. Okay, I'm a little bit curious here, so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I have not opened it. It is not taped. There is no tape on it, so it is just a flip open. It did come in a much larger box. So anyway, we got the LED note board user manual. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Pictures, tells you how to write, draw. I am curious about the erasing on there, but you know how you erase it and keep it clean, how these markers work on that glass. But it does have a specific cleaning and maintenance section. We'll get to that later. Remove that, and would you look at that? Whoa, it's almost see-through. It actually is see-through. Has peelable stuff, we'll do that later. Has a USB plug on it. A mount. That's gonna be fun to put together. And it looks like a whole bunch of fun markers. Nothing to clean with though, nothing to clean the screen. So we are gonna have to read the instructions on that. First up, let's take this out. Kind of looks like a gimbal, but it's not. It is, ooh, how does this connect? It looks like you set it like that, huh? Does it connect from the back? No? Okay, well, hold on, does that magnetically stick with the glass? Oh no. That's how it works. Would you look at that? So here is everything. Whoa, my camera just zoomed way out. But here's everything you get in the box. You get, obviously, the box. you get a stand, the glass with the USB, and the pins for writing on the glass. The issue is, I don't think inside this building there is a place I can plug that in. I mean, I might have to go back home or do this in a car. Okay, yeah, we gotta plug it in. But before we do, realize when you do this, that is open. So you gotta put them all back in once they accidentally all fall out. But I did realize something. When I was picking it up to put it away, wait for it. It does come with a microfiber cloth. So there is a way to clean it. That's how you clean it. It comes with a microfiber cloth. So that's good. No eraser chalkboard type thing we had when we had in school. Okay, this is not gonna be a use video. I'm probably gonna shoot another video later on in the car with this product. I am checking out there's something that scares me right there. No, okay, that's on the paper. Thought it had a crack or a scrape in the glass, but it's not. It's this peelable paper. Once I peel it off, it's gone. But the plexiglass is pretty strong. It doesn't look glued. This white frame thing here at the bottom doesn't look glued. It's just it's the kind that has a V in the middle and it slides across the glass. So where the plug connects. So I don't know. I think that's probably pretty good that way. Instead of just being glued to it, you can replace it just by sliding it on and off, kind of like a window pane. USB looks sturdy and strong. The cable seems fine. This here, this tri-bar, the stand, very flexible. It rotates in numerous directions. It's yeah, the way this thing's set up, it's a engineering marvel. It's actually pretty cool, very satisfying. Kind of like just playing with magnets, even though this is not a magnet. You get that same sensation with the clicks, how it just snaps together. Yeah, so I kind of dig it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together, probably do another video in the car later on, driving, picking up passengers with this activated at nighttime to see what it looks like from the back seat. Put a couple pins back there and we'll see what some passengers might write on it. This is probably something too you can have at home, put up, leave notes for your loved one or leave notes for the kids. Hey, don't forget to do the dishes. Yeah, I don't know. Holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween. With that light glow, I'm assuming you could, I don't know. Let me look at the instructions real fast about what color the LED light is. If it's just white or if you could change the colors. Okay, from the instructions here, it looks like it is just kind of a dim white light that goes through the glass that makes the neon colors pop. So it's not color changing, it's like a white light that goes completely through the glass. So that, which is fine. That's kind of, I think, what you want. You just don't want it too bright, you know, especially if you're in a car and this is going to be kind of a message board for your riders or any business. Could you imagine at a coffee shop or something like that, just having that there showing the special of the day? That's kind of what this thing is. You could use it for businesses, for a home. I'm kind of liking it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together, put it in the car, go out and do some work today. I gotta go to Miami in a little bit. When I come home, maybe I'll do an evening, 8 o'clock night time ride and have this thing installed and pick up some passengers and see how it would actually work in the scenario I have it in my head. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in. The description of the product and the link, if you want to purchase something like this, will be in the comments below. Yeah, this is pretty sweet. I'm excited to get this thing going. Until the next time, peace out, everybody.